Hi Sierra Chart users. So the Murray line study. Um, the Murray lines are based on some quite complicated math that was created by Murray himself, of course. And I'm not going to get into this math in this video. I'm just going to show you how to use the study that I use to get those lines on my chart. So first thing you have to do before you add the Murray line study to your chart the first time, there's one thing that you have to do only once and then it will serve you for the rest of the time, but you must do it. So you have to go to Window, Control Bars, and choose one of the control bars that is not checked, that is not in use, okay? So it adds another control bar to your CR chart. Now right click on it, customize control bar, and remove everything from it. Okay, just remove everything until it's totally empty. And then once it's empty, go on the left pane to Advanced Custom Study Buttons and add the first button that is free here. Okay, so you can add Custom Study Button 1. Just remember the number of the button that you added. I'm adding Custom Study Button 1, pressing OK. So now I have a CS1 button here, and I want it to be on float mode, not on the detached mode, because if it's on attached mode, it will only work on charts that are attached to the main window of CR chart and will not work on detached charts. So I have this button, I can put it here. As you see, I already have such buttons, so I don't really need this one, but I'm doing it for this video. Now, once you have this, you can add the studies, add custom study, the Murray line study, and in the settings, use line tool here. Okay, there are other options, but I only use the line tool option. The other options don't really make sense to me. And here, reset custom button number, choose the number of the button that you used here. So I used CS1, so I'm choosing number 1 here and pressing OK. Okay. Once you choose one, you see that the button turned from CS1 to Swing tool. Now, but we still don't see the lines. In order to get the lines, you have to go to Tools, Chart Calculator, and draw a line with the chart calculator, not with the line tool, it must be with the chart calculator. Let me just change the color so we can see it. Okay, the nice thing about the chart calculator is that it tells you how long the line is. So you want to draw a 16 points line if you want to get Murray lines that are spaced 2 points from each other, and you want to draw a 32 points line if you want to get Murray lines that are 4 points spaced from each other. Alright, so here I have a 32 points line that is drawn with the chart calculator, and now I click the Swing tool and I get the lines. Okay? Now, there's a whole theory about how to locate where to locate the lines within the current swing, and this is not something that I can get into in the scope of this video. But basically, if you want to move the lines to the next one step up, the lines move in steps. So you see, for example, if you take this line and you take its top above the highest line, so the whole series of lines will move one step higher. If you take this line and move its bottom below the lowest line, yeah, like this, the whole series will move one step lower. And that's how you find your correct location. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this study. Bye bye.